Okay, Cindy, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customized Google search for your students. So I'm just on a regular Chrome browser, and I'm just going to do a customized Google search. And right here, Google Custom Search Engine. So you'll see cse.google.com. Okay, so I've already created 3 or 4 of these. But what is really neat is you are going to limit the umbrella websites that your students can go to. So it's not an open web, but it's a controlled web, but it still looks like it's from Google because it is, but you are limiting the bigger sites that they can go to, if that makes sense. I'll show you as we go. So right here, you're going to add a search engine, and you are going to put right here the websites that you want your students to go to. So you can see here, it says individual pages, entire site. So let's say I'm going to do National Geographic because I want my students to research about the rainforest or whatever it is. So I'm going to actually put, I think the whole National Geographic website is helpful to my students. So I'm going to choose this one. So I just copy that, and then I'm going to go back over here to this. And there's my one site. And then I'm going to go, let's say, the History Channel, because they might want to discuss some of the history involved in whatever we're doing. So I'm going to pick that one. And it's my second one here. Okay, so you see how that you can add as many as you want. So then you're going to come down here and we're going to name your search engine. So whatever, I mean, if you name it for a project that they're doing, persuasive essay search engine, or however you want to do it. You can also look at restricting pages. So you can actually add up to different things that you don't want them to search. Okay, so then all you do is click create. Okay, so here's the really neat thing is that you can actually get the embed code to add it to your site. Okay, so I could, I would actually get the HTML code, or let's see, can I go back? Yeah, if you want to actually view it on the web. Okay, so this is what it would look like to your students, and here is the link. So if you put this link right here on your website, then your students would see this when they come to the page, and you would say, let's do Africa, and then I push enter, and then the information that comes back, you'll notice, is only from National Geographic and only from the History Channel. Okay, so that's a really neat way to kind of restrict what they can see, but it still kind of looks like it is a Google search. So the other things, you can also always go and add other things to it. So if you want to go back to here and add those as well. There are some advanced features that I don't ever use. I just use the other thing. I think that's it. If you want to play around with that, you can, and it's a really neat tool. I've used it to show my undergrads, and they enjoy it as well. So hope that helps.